cooking my fave, steak. It's what's for dinner. Don't forget the onion. Made my favorite, sauteed onions and sweet potato. On a diet, add butter. Juicy. Look at that greatness. Oh my gosh. Look at Basil baby plate. That's so cute. Let's dig into this masterpiece. Sprinkle some sea salt on there, and I love my steak rare. Damn near mooing. Look at that. So you gotta stack it up like this. This is how I like to do it. It's your boy Johnny Five the Grub. Adventures in more, like, comment, and make sure you subscribe, man. Let's grow together. Cheers.